Yeah, so I went back to the hostel there and it's not looking great. Okay, I got in quite late last night, so I just went straight to bed. But I'm in David. It's about 6 hours west of Panama City, because Panama is quite like horizontal, it's not vertical, if you get me, the country itself. The plan is to stay here for a few nights, and then I'm not 100% sure yet what I'm going to do, but I'm just going to chill out here for a few days. They do a bus run down to the beach, and I really want to get to a beach, but right now we're going to go get some food from, there's like a supermarket, so I'm going to buy some food, make it up back in the hostel. Right, I'm just out the pool, but I'll show you around the hostel room. I'm the only one here. That's my bed there. Yeah, just bunk beds and my bed. And then this bathroom is interesting. It's grand, toilet sink. Look at that. And then just a hole for ventilation, you know, to keep the air circulated. But yeah, I'm gonna jump into this now. Okay, so the plan is to get on a bus at the corner of this road and take it all the way into the main square in the town. So let's go. Okay, just off the bus into the centre of town, so I'm just gonna head straight and do a bit of exploring, I guess, see what we can find. Any videos I ever did in Ireland, I was always kind of on my own. I was never really in the city, so it's weird getting you get a few strange looks like walking around with a camera, so something to get used to. I also don't know if you can even hear me half the time because it's so loud here. Jesus, see what I mean? It's so loud. A fella in the hostel told me that this park has massive iguanas and people feed them, so let's go check that out. Also seems to be some sort of Chinese celebration going on. For a ham and cheese pastry and a coffee. So good. There's a much more like if you want it you'll buy it attitude around here. I much prefer that over the in your face try to get you to buy everything. I presume that's because it's a lot less touristy here. Mostly just local people around the place, so yeah, I much prefer this. Hola, ¿tienes manzanas? No? Ah, gracias. The only fruit I like and nobody has it. That is heartbreaking. I can understand that some parts might look bad, like the likes of this. But it's just an old rundown house. Like there's a pretty nice bike shop like right beside it. Like if you looked at some of the parts in New York, you'd think, oh Jesus, like all the rubbish. Again, when you have a massive population, it's hard to kind of keep on top of these things. And then for the likes of Panama, like not everywhere is as developed as Panama City. You're going to get some parts like that, but it's absolutely beautiful, honestly. Like here, like no less than like 50 meters up the road, like that's beautiful. Lovely. They could do with some paths, that's the only thing, but apart from that, like bus, very handy. Got straight into town. It was like 70 cent. Decided to walk back out. I could have got the bus, but I wanted to see what it's all like, you know. still don't really understand the beeping. They just seem to beep. But yeah, maybe some footpaths and go astray. Right, today's plan is to get on one of the local buses into town and then get another bus out to the beach. It's about 50 minutes away. Actually warm. Oh, it's unreal. This is what it's all about. Oh my god. Cool down in the old midday heat. Ah, so good. That is possibly the warmest water I have ever swam in. And that's not even the Caribbean, that's the Pacific. So I can't wait to swim in the Caribbean. I wouldn't mind giving this a go either. I'd say that's unreal. I have a little bit of a problem. Well, there's a taxi parked there, but there's nobody in it. So I don't know where the taxi man is. I could start strolling towards the little town that I get the bus from. It's like 5 kilometers away. Not a massive walk, like, but I would rather not have to walk in the dead heat. I thought it was going to be much busier. I thought there's actually going to be a lot of people knocking around, but there's fuck all. There's nothing. Yeah, I don't really fancy walking in the dead heat, so I might just wait and see if that taxi man comes out, and if he does, I'll just ask for a lift. And if a bit of time goes by and nobody comes out, then I'll just start strolling. A bus is after pulling up. That is unreal. Happy days. Let's see if he'll take me to David. That's unreal. He said in an hour he leaves from here, so I can get a bit of food. Oh, this is ideal. It's unreal. The bus does come directly here. I don't know why. Maybe I got on the wrong bus now, but it worked out grand. Right, let's get some food. I think I'm getting breaded shrimp. I'm not 100% sure, but we'll give it a go anyway, whatever it is. And get an old beer as well. It's like a hot garlic. Not bad. I didn't finish all the shrimp, but I'm still only kind of getting used to seafood. I still don't really like it, but we're giving it a go. Let's get this bus back into the town. Yeah, that's it for, I can't even remember the name of this beach. Playa La... Beautiful beach anyway. Good morning from sunny David. It's actually a lovely morning today. I have all my bags packed because today is moving day. I am heading for the Lost and Found Hostel. It's halfway between David and Bocas del Toro. Yeah, so I'm gonna get the little bus into like the main bus terminal and then get a big bus out towards the hostel. check this out.
Okay, earlier something a bit shit happened. I got to the hostel here and I went to charge my phone, realised that I didn't have my cables bag. And that's not a big deal, but also in my cables bag is my hard drive, and that's the thing that I want the most. Just because it has all the stuff from Panama City on it. So that'd be shit if I couldn't get that back. But I'm hoping that it's just in the hostel. And I know Greg, who owns the Bamboo Hostel, and Andrew, who owns this hostel, know each other quite well. So I'm hoping either I go back into David and get it, I don't really mind that, or one of them can drop it out or go collect it. It's only an hour away, but I don't mind having to get the bus, as long as it means I get my hard drive back. Cables and all that I don't really care about. I can buy new ones in Bocas or something, but that hard drive I really need. Like, that's the start of this whole trip. It'd be shit if I couldn't get that back. But that view was really nice, so I'm staying positive. I'm fairly sure it's in the hostel. What happened was, I was just packing my bag, like I was taking my time. I didn't rush it or anything like that, and I was just trying to get everything to fit in. So I was like taking stuff out and moving stuff around and things like that. And yeah, obviously somewhere along the way I took out my cables bag. I think it was to put my GoPro charger and stuff in, and I obviously just left it down beside all the bags that were in the room and never put it back into my bag, because I didn't open my bag like in the bus station or on the bus or anything like that. I only took out my earphones and they're like in this separate little pouch. So yeah, fingers crossed that it's only in the hostel. I don't care, even if I stay the 2 nights here, go back into David on the 3rd night for 1 night and then come back out to Bocas. I don't mind that either. Like, I have plenty of time really. I just want to get them back. I don't really mind when. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking shy, finish this hike back down and chill out. Okay, good morning from the forests halfway in between David and Bocas del Toro. I've just come out of the Lost and Found hostel. It's 7 in the morning and my plan is to go see if my hard drive and cables are still at the last hostel I was at. Yeah, I'd be quite upset if they weren't. It'd be really nice to have that Panama City footage just to look back on, because that was like the start of the whole journey, if you get me, and the build up to it. Yeah, that'd be quite annoying if I couldn't get that back. But look, if I can't, it's not the end of the world. It just means I'm gonna have to buy like chargers and stuff in Bocas. But we're not gonna go to that yet. We're gonna go see if all the stuff is here first. Which, fingers crossed, hopefully it is. So yeah, let's go. So I went back to the hostel there and it's not looking great. But there was someone still asleep and they were sleeping in the bed that I was asleep in. So their like bags and stuff were there and I didn't want to go rooting through all that stuff. So I just came around to the shop here and bought some empanadas for like $1. That kind of even too sick to even eat. Yeah, bit shit, but hopefully when they wake up I get to like properly look. And yeah, hopefully just like under the bed or something. That's what I'm hoping. So I'm gonna eat these and just chill out for a bit. Oh, I am so happy. Oh my god. Oh, that was unreal. Ah, lads, I actually can't describe how happy I am right now. Oh, this feels so good. So yeah, turns out it was there. Somebody obviously dropped it into reception, so thank you to whoever did that or whoever found it. Now let's catch the bus to the big bus station and then get another bus back to the Lost and Found for tonight. I'm gonna drink tonight, definitely. Yeah, I am super happy that I got that back. Thank you to Mohammed at the Bamboo Hostel, an absolute gentleman. Also need to find out where I'm staying tomorrow night. I'm gonna spend a bit of time in Bucas, I think, because I was talking to a chap in the hostel and he was saying that you're better off find somewhere nice and chill out there for like a week. Make sure that you see everything that's around, kind of, rather than what I've been doing, which is like 2 nights here, 3 nights there. He was like, you'll wear yourself out and you won't actually appreciate the travelling. So I think that's going to be my plan for Bucas. Maybe do 5 nights somewhere and then see if I can maybe get like a cheap Airbnb or something. Alright, I am on the road again. I'm on my way to Gualaca, I think it's called. Yeah, there's meant to be a really cool canyon there. So let's go check that out. Catch the bus into Gualaca. That was lovely, that was what I was missing. A bit of water. Right, have a bit of food now though. Check this out. Probably won't see the sunset just because of the clouds, but it's nice to appreciate.